Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be discussing about the topic Functions of Tubules. This is from the chapter Excretory Products and their Elimination from Class 11 Biology. Let's start with today's topic. Here, Proximal Convoluted Tubule, in short PCT. This PCT is lined by simple cuboidal brush-bordered epithelium. This brush-bordered epithelium increases the surface area enormously for reabsorption. Okay? Here, nearly all of the essential nutrients and 70 to 80% of the electrolytes and water are reabsorbed by this proximal convoluted tubule. Okay? This PCT also helps to maintain the pH and ionic balance of the body fluids. You can see here in this diagram, here, nutrients, water, electrolytes are reabsorbed, and also secretion of some of the ions like hydrogen ions, potassium ions and ammonia take place. This is all to maintain the pH and ionic balance of the body fluids. Okay? Now, moving to the next, henleys loop. Reabsorption is minimum in its ascending limb. However, this region plays a significant role in the maintenance of high osmolarity of medullary interstitial fluid. Okay? You can see here, this is ascending limb. Reabsorption is minimum here. But this region is playing important role in maintaining the high osmolarity of medullary interstitial fluid. Now, the descending limb of loop of Henle is permeable to water, but almost impermeable to electrolytes. This concentrates the filtrate as it moves down. You can see here, it is permeable to water. Water reabsorption takes place. So, as the filtrate moves down through this descending limb of loop of Henle, the filtrate gets concentrated as the water is reabsorbed. Okay? Now, moving to the next. The ascending limb of loop of Henle is impermeable to water but allows transport of electrolytes actively or passively. Okay? Therefore, as the concentrated filtrate passes upward, it gets diluted due to the passage of electrolytes to the medullary fluid. You can see here in this diagram, as the filtrate passes upwards, the electrolytes can pass outside into the medullary interstitial fluid. But water reabsorption do not occur. As the electrolytes are removed, the filtrate gets diluted as it is moving upwards. Okay? So this is about Henle's loop and its function. Now, the next part, distal convoluted tubule. Here, conditional reabsorption of sodium and water takes place. And DCT is also capable of reabsorption of bicarbonate and selective secretion of hydrogen and potassium ions and also ammonia. You can see here in this diagram, okay, here selective secretion of hydrogen ions, potassium ions and ammonia can occur, and also here selective reabsorption of water and ions like bicarbonate ions, sodium ions can take place, but this is a conditional reabsorption. Okay? Now, moving to the next, collecting duct. This collecting duct is a long duct. It starts from the cortex region of the kidney and extends up to the inner parts of the medulla. Okay? Here, large amount of water could be reabsorbed from this region to produce a concentrated urine. You can see here in this diagram, this is collecting duct. It is a long duct from cortex part of the kidney to the inner parts of the medulla, and here reabsorption of water can take place. As the reabsorption of water occurs here, the filtrate gets concentrated. Okay, now urine gets concentrated. Okay, this segment allows the passage of small amounts of urea into the medullary interstitium to keep up the osmolarity. Yes, secretion of urea takes place here. Okay, secretion of urea here, this is to maintain the high osmolarity in the interstitium. Okay, now it also plays a role in the maintenance of pH and ionic balance of blood by selective secretion of hydrogen ions and potassium ions. Okay, so this is about the role of collecting duct. So here PCT, the loop of Henle, DCT and collecting duct, these are the important tubules present in the nephron and their functions. Okay, so this is all about today's session. Now let's discuss some important questions from the topic that I discussed today. Here, first question: nearly all of the essential nutrients and 70 to 80% of the electrolytes and water are reabsorbed by dash of nephron. Answer is PCT. Yes, nearly all of the essential nutrients, 70 to 80% of the electrolytes and water are reabsorbed by proximal convoluted tubule of nephron. Next question: the descending limb of loop of Henle is permeable to water but almost impermeable to, answer is electrolytes. The descending limb is impermeable to electrolytes. Okay, so this is all about today's session. If you are new to my channel, subscribe for more videos. If you liked it, share it with your friends. I'll be back with another video. Have a great day. Thank you all.